Right. Let's see. Right, I can. Go. Perfect. All right. Let's see what the market is giving us right now. ES, we're at all-time highs. Let's start marking out our levels right now. 4 hours.
Spot gold rises nearly 1% to around $4,391.
All right. So we're very bullish on the high time frame. See the hourly. How's the hourly looking? Like you want to be bearish, right? But my issue with bearish is don't really look like we would be bearish. But I could be completely wrong about this. Right now we're forming a bearish S&T. Honestly, this low has to be swept for like this to be even considered this out as well. Mine as well. We just made significant moves up yesterday. So
Trump Budget Director Vought Onyx says presidential shipbuilding memo. Here are two main reasons. One, the Ford class is too costly and takes too long to build. And two, Vought adds that our Navy shipyards are at capacity with major backlogs. So this is with regards to the headline that we saw yesterday that the Wall Street Journal, I believe, that the US was to spend billions on restoring old naval ships.
all right, so ES has come and swept out Asia lows. Now, ideally, that's like, all right, we're gonna go long now. Hourly and 4 hours on, 4 hours, we're bullish. We technically swept out 4 hour lows on ES. Hourly, like, technically could be still bullish. Um, so that's that. If we look at NQ right now, we're maintaining bullish order flow. We might want to tap into the 4-hour gap. That's not that crazy to ask for, but um we're just so bullish right now. We could also like we had significant move up yesterday and like this whole move during 9 a.m. So we could just get choppy price action and that's completely okay. Like I'm not really like if the market does not give me an opportunity to trade today because we're just chopping in this range. I mean, look at Asia session open. We went absolutely nowhere. We've been just in this range, right? And right now we're kind of pushing out of that, but I'm not going to be so like let's take a trade today because you know, I just don't there's no reason to force anything. Plus, we have 10 a.m. Consumer sentiments. President Trump speaks at 3 p.m. Like all of these things are just a lot of like checklists. Oh, like another reason why I might not want to trade today. Um, that's kind of just what I see. Now, like I said, ES has already taken out Asia lows. NQ swap just has just taken out London lows. So I would want to see us honestly go for longs. Like I would much rather be long buys today than I would be short buys just because the high time frame holds higher power and like we already are like if I'm looking at this what I see, right? Uh this is accumulation, manipulation and ooh, we might be in for sure. Like we just gotta walk. We just gotta wait and see. I'm honestly gonna be very patient today. I don't think there's a reason to force anything today, um, like at all. We did tap into this 5 minute gap on NQ, but like we already took out London lows and Asia lows on ES. So like that's honestly we might as well look for bulls. I don't know. I'm gonna be patient. I don't think there's a reason. Anyways, it's way too early. We have at least 3 minutes before I would be willing to even take a trade. So because of that, there's no reason to force anything. But I would honestly rather want to go long today than try to catch more like shorts after we already sweep out Asia lows. You know what I'm saying? Asia lows and 4-hour lows. Like that's just I would much rather want to go long today. So that's what I see. All right, see, this is perfect. This is what I want to see is us disrespecting this 5 minute gap. Because now it's like, all right, this is exactly what I wanted to see. So looking off of this, we now have a bullish SMT off of um Asia lows, right? These are Asia lows on ES or NQ. These are Asia lows on NQ. So the leading index on this move up is going to be the Nasdaq. We got our 5 minute disrespect of 5 minute order flow. I mean, we haven't quite got it on ES yet, but God, I just Nasdaq. Okay, yeah. So like ideally, we get a pullback into some sort of confluence here. So it would look like I don't even have a drawing tool on here. Where's the drawing tool? I don't like drawing on here. But anyways, like ideally we would get boom, boom, and then boom, right? If we are to respect some sort of 5 minute confluence, like again, look, this looks very clean. We tapped into this hourly gap right here. We're maintaining bullish order flow on the hourly and 4 hour. I mean, this is looking very textbook for longs, but again, like I want to be cautious. We had a big move up yesterday. And so because of that, because we had a big move up yesterday, usually after days where we have big moves, like big extensions, usually what follows is a bunch of chop. And right now too, these indexes are not correlated at all. ES is telling us, all right, we might be going bearish right now. Like this is technically our setup to go short, right? But I don't want to take that. Like I really don't. There's nothing to really target over here. All we have is this 4 hour low. Yes, does NQ have all these, but I would much rather either wait for 10 a.m. to see what we want to do. But this is our entry, like right here. This is our entry to go short. I just don't want to go short after already sweeping out Asia lows, and we have a bullish SMT, and like the high time frame is bullish. This is just not a high quality, a high quality, a high quality. Anyways, so yeah, this is what I see. Um, yeah, to me, there's no point on entering any sort of trade right now. Zero reason to. Zero reason to whatsoever. I mean, these indexes are just completely not correlated at all. And so, like, why would I want to enter a trade when we could go either direction? Because we don't know which index is actually the right one. So this is why I like having NQ and ES up at the same time, is because if you are so focused on only NQ can tell us, oh yeah, we're going long. But right now, it's honestly giving us enough of a signal that we want to go long. But ES is like, all right, nah, we're going short. So you gotta have both of these. This is like probably the only two, like you can trade this as a pair, and maybe this what goes from my trade from yesterday that I took NQ did not give me an entry to go long yesterday. Like, if we look at NQ, boom, this is the 5 minute retracement we got yesterday. Where's the entry here? That didn't tap into 5 minute equilibrium here. But if we look at ES, what webcam? This is just the MacBook one. I have a webcam coming. I just don't know where it is. So 1 minute. Yeah, I can go into 1 minute. Yeah.
In 10 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, do you see the
What
University
did
of
you want to see in
Michigan
the 1 minute? I don't
Sentiment
know what you want
August
to see,
prelim
but
survey? So for the sentiment, the forecast is 55 on the prior
yeah,
55 spot
got
2,
you.
with a range of 57 spot 2 to 51. 1 year inflation
And either
expectations
way,
forecast to remain unchanged at
this guy can shut
4.2%.
up.
5 year expected to remain unchanged at 3.3%. The expectations prelim forecast 55 spot 2 on the prior 55 spot 4, and conditions forecast to remain unchanged at 54
All
spot
right,
8.
buddy. Thank
Looking at
you.
the US business inventories month over month, forecast at 0.1% from the prior 0.3.
Thank you. All right, so now looking at this, right? If we can get so this that imbalance no longer matters at all. We do have an imbalance here, and yeah, honestly, all I need to see right now is like a continuation, like we got our 5 minute retracement here, we got a 5 minute down candle again. If we wanted to disrespect, okay, that looks like fucking news, bro. Oh, look at my hands. Okay, that's our entry. Sorry. Sorry, that came way too quick. I was not honestly expecting that to happen so fast. But, all right, let's take out one contract here. And then we'll take two. We'll just go like this.
German bonds extend their drop, with the 10-year yield rising 5 basis points to 3.18%.
Sorry, that was way too quick. I didn't have a chance to really explain because the market kind of just gave me the entry. Let's see what happens. We push past this 5 minute high right here. That would be our like let's go long, or let's move stops to break even. I want to set my take profits on the other accounts. Shit. And right now we're getting cooked. Holy top tick. One. That shit came way too fast. I 4.5. All right. So I'm in longs right now on NQ, right? So what I would want to see is either ES takes out these 5-minute highs, or we get, what is 30 points on NQ here? Ah. So I would need, yeah, this is looking a little chopped, but this is an A plus setup for me. I got to take this every single time. Um,
So in 5 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, we do get the University of Michigan survey data, the August prelim read. Sentiment
fuck.
forecast at 55 from the prior 55 spot 2, with a range of 57 spot 2 to 51
It's not
expected.
looking great,
1 year
but
inflation forecast to remain unchanged at 4.2%. 5 year inflation
what do you
expectations
mean? What?
also forecast
So
to
this is
remain
just my,
unchanged at
this is just my journal.
3.3%. US University of Michigan expectations forecast at 55 spot 2 from the prior
I would
55
really
spot 4,
hate
and
if this didn't
conditions
hold.
forecast to remain unchanged at 54 spot 8. We also get the US business inventories data for the month of June, forecast 0.1% from the prior 0.3.
Would really hate to get stopped out here and then we go bull run all the way towards it. But yeah, this is just my this is just my journal. 2.79. Right now we have an SMT break structure, or no, inverse for value gap, equilibrium, and then A plus setup, roll motion. All right. Sorry, I always have to do that. Come on, bro, don't do this to me. My only problem is we dead ass have 10 a.m. news. Oh boy. And we can get fucking whipped out by that. But this is an A, like, I gotta take this. This is an A plus setup. There's no reason why I shouldn't have taken this. So, whatever happens, happens. I can't sit here and complain. Um, it'd just be very unfortunate if we went ahead and didn't go to take profit, but yeah, there we go. There's our stop out. And the thing is looking at this right now, that's probably the only catalyst we needed before we just move higher. God, 276, bro. Oh my god, what was that? That shit fucking blows. Oh my god, bro. Spread just destroyed me. Alright, like that's literally it for today. Like there's nothing else to do. Oh my god, this is about to go up too. Watch. 3 relative equal highs here. God, bruh. Watch
1 minute remaining.
as
I'll leave
soon
with
as
the
we
University
inverse
of
this,
Michigan sentiment prelim.
this shit fucking blows. That's an A plus setup. Like, there's nothing I can do about that. Literally nothing. But watch us now go up and take this out. Oh, I lost way more than I wanted to on that trade. Loss. Stop loss hit. A plus setup. Nothing I can do. Take to the chest. Would take this 10 out of 10 times.
10 seconds.
Yeah, this. I swear, if we go all the way up, I'm actually gonna low-key scream.
51, 51 lower than forecast, 55. The 1 year inflation at 4.3%, 4.3%, which is higher than forecast 4.2%, and 5 year inflation as expected at 3.3%. Expectations at 50.6, 50.6, lower than forecast 55.2. Conditions at 51.8, 51.8, which is lower than forecast at 54.8. And the US business inventory is month over month 0%, 0%, which is lower than forecast 0.1%. I see some weakness in the US dollar on the back
Yeah.
of this. Can we?
See, the thing is I have a feeling it was my stop placement. This was not a protected low. Should have put it right here. See, this is gonna be our setup right here. Oh my god, and I can't even trade anymore. Like, I'm stuck to one trade per day. This is gonna go up. That's so fucking unfortunate. What's my setup? Nothing. I can do take to the chest. Move forward. A plus setup. Honestly, stop placement could have been the issue, but how much did I lose? Yeah, we lost. So I took this on two accounts because I'm trading on my phone as well. 290. Let's see. Let me do the math. 298.5 plus 276. Yeah. 574. But it's like 200 something per account. 270 per account. I mean, just that shit blows. 298.5. I got absolutely destroyed with spread. Like, destroyed. I was only risking 240 and I got hooked. I mean, absolutely cooked, but this is going to go up. This is dead ass going to go up. It was the stop placement. I like stop should have, even though this is a 65-point stop, this is a protected low going up. And again, like, look at this price action though. The 1 minute, why did I like, it's not the greatest. I don't know. Look, we just had so much rejection off of this 5 minute BPR that it was almost like, all right, like we're so due go up, and it's definitely gonna take out these relative equal highs here, especially ES. So it is what it is, bro. Like, I don't know. Part of the game. I mean, this was a good week, so I can't even sit here and complain about taking a loss today. Gotta journal it again because I gotta journal both of these accounts. Did pro 0.5. Negative 276. Yeah, I mean, the thing is that this is gonna piss me off, bruh. We're literally going to go to market open, like pre-market highs. It just came so fast, and I was just like, all right, like bet this is. We took out relative equal lows right here, right? So you would think, oh, okay, that's like this is might be a protected low, but it's not. We're gonna go all the way to TP, at least TP1 right here. Like the rest of this might hit, but like again, and we got relative equal highs right here. Like I would enter long on ES right now if I could, but can't do that. I have no, my other accounts are locked out. Just blows, just blows, just blows. Look at this, man. It's about to go. After having such a great day yesterday, basically all those profits were erased. But hey, that's part of the game. Fucking blows. We're literally going to take profit here. Literally took the same thing as you used my 7%. Yeah. Like there's nothing to be upset over. A plus setup, it's just the market wanted a little bit more retracement. I mean, there's nothing you can really do about that. Plus the 10 a.m. came out. Yeah. The next setup, if you didn't take this one, was to take this setup right here. Anyways. Take it to the chest. Take it to the chest. Part of the game. Part of the game. SMT, we had an IFEG and an equilibrium and a breaker structure. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all for me. I don't know what else. Like, I'm stuck to one trade per day. That's just unfortunate on a Friday, but yeah, what can you do? What can you do? What's the setup here on? Got the inverse. I want to see what the setup look like on ES. What did the setup look like? I mean, not really I mean, sort of a setup, but not really. I guess I just want to. The reason why I'm still on here is I want to see if this setup would have even hit. I feel like it would, just because I mean 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Check it out. 10 a.m. Powell's rejection block right here. It would probably tap into that. You could put your stops beneath here, and then long on NQ. Probably was gonna happen. Probably. Even though I don't really know how his strategy works, this is probably what's going to happen. So